Hi guys, welcome to today's video where we'll be making a simple yet delectable coconut whipped cream with only 2 ingredients. This dessert is taken up a notch with the addition of fresh strawberries on top, creating a perfect balance of sweetness and freshness. To make this recipe, you'll need a can of coconut cream that has been chilled overnight in the fridge. Make sure to only spoon out the cold coconut cream from the can and leave the watery part behind. Use a hand mixer to beat the coconut cream for 3 minutes until it becomes light and fluffy. Next, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract to the mixture. Beat for an additional 2 minutes until soft peaks form. Now you can serve the coconut whipped cream in a nice bowl and top it off with slices of fresh strawberries. If you're in Berlin, like me, you can find some delicious strawberries during this period, which are perfect for this recipe. For a finishing touch, add some mint leaves for garnish. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you do, please support me by giving a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel.